Hey, what's up, my friend? My name is Nick Arapolis, and if you're on this video, it probably means that you're looking for some more information on Clickbank University, and that's exactly what I'll be getting into here in a moment. Before we do, I just want to let you know that I do have a free video training series that really goes into depth on how to utilize the internet to make an income, whether that is full-time or part-time. So if you'd like to go check that out, head on over to mentorwithnick.com. That is mentorwithnick.com. The link is in the video description. Without further ado, let's get into Clickbank University and what it's all about. So first and foremost, I just want to let you know that my review is a little bit different than a lot of other reviews online, because what a lot of people will do is they'll make reviews and they'll hype up the product, make it sound all great, which, sometimes it can, sometimes it won't be, but regardless, they'll hype up the product because they have an affiliate link. What that means is that they'll make it sound real good and then say, if you want to purchase this, make sure and purchase through this link right here, because when you do, then I'll earn a commission. So that's not me here. I'm not affiliated with Clickbank University. I have no link that tell you to buy it. I'm just here to give you the facts and the information so that you can make an informed decision on whether you want to purchase it. Okay? So let's kind of go over what Clickbank is. First of all, Clickbank is a digital marketplace, and it's probably, I think it's, if it's not the biggest, it's one of the biggest. And basically what it is that a lot of product vendors, what they call product owners, they will sell their product on Clickbank. It's a marketplace for them to sell their digital products, whether that's ebooks, whether that's video courses, audio courses, whatever it is. They start selling that, and then they earn commissions for selling their products. And then they can also have affiliates selling their products too, which those people will earn a commission when they sell to people's products. And it's just a big platform to start generating money online. Whether it doesn't matter what niche you're in, it could be to make money online, it could be gardening, it could be cooking, fat loss, muscle building. It doesn't matter. There's all kinds of niches. It's a great place to start making money online. So what Clickbank did is they created a course that teaches you how to do this type of stuff. So that's what Clickbank University is. So I'm going to kind of go over the price points, the upsells, the downsells, and stuff like that. But first, I want to kind of let you know what the information is all about. So first and foremost, like I just explained, Clickbank is a spot to host your digital products and start selling them. So that's what the main core content is showing you how to create your product, like what kind of products to create, how to drive traffic to your products, how to create sales pages, opt-in pages, upsells, all like a lot of different stuff. And then they also have a little bit of a course that goes into affiliate marketing as well, selling other people's products, driving traffic to other people's pages, and then when people purchase that, then both sides earn a commission. The person that sent them, the affiliate, and then also the product owner. So they kind of work cohesively. So that's what affiliate marketing is, and they have a section on that course too as well. So basically, that's what it comes down to. I think this is a good course. It's all video modules. So if you learn well from video, it's gonna be a good place. If you have to ask me my opinion on how great the content is, I think it's good. I think it is good, but I think it is more so beginner to intermediate. If you're a little bit more advanced in internet marketing, it's probably going to be a little lackluster. There's a lot of great courses and stuff out there that are probably a little bit better if you are a little bit more advanced. But if you're just starting out, if you're a little bit more intermediate, I think this is a great spot. So what's the price point? What's the upsells, downsells, all that kind of stuff? Well, the course now, and obviously they can always change it. They always are optimizing it. But right now you can purchase it for $47 flat fee. That's not what it used to be. It used to be a monthly fee. Now obviously not obviously, but there can be a monthly fee if you want to get the Clickbank University Live, which is a webinar each week that answers your questions. You can pay $47 a month for that. So there's a little checkbox on the sales page. If you do want to have the live version, you have to click that, or it's already clicked. If you don't want it, you unclick it. So you're just paying the $47. After that, they offer you, it's called a one-time offer, but it's not really one time because they offer it more down the road, especially within the product. And this is a website builder. It's a spot to host or spot to put on your your opt-in pages to collect leads. It's a spot to put on your sales pages, your upsells pages. So everything that you're going to need one of these from somewhere, and then Clickbank offers theirs. So this is a $297 a year software where you can start building these pages. And then if you decline that offer, they have what's called a downsell, and they offer you to pay for that on a quarterly basis instead of a one-time payment for the year. The next portion is, I wrote down, it's an advanced section. It's an advanced training, the advanced stuff. So if you are a little bit more advanced, this probably is a route that you want to take. This is a $97 course, and if you decline on that, they'll also offer you to do it for a 2-pay option instead of the one-time of $97. So that's what you're looking at, $47, and then if you want the live, it's a monthly cost, $297 a year for the website builder, and then $97 for the advanced course. So that's what you're looking at with Clickbank University. Hopefully that helped you out, guys. I tried to give you the best information I possibly could, and give you a little bit more insight to everything that goes within the product and the upsells and everything like that. So hopefully it gave you a little bit of perspective, help you understand it a little bit more. So that's my review. Hopefully it helped you out, like I said. But again, if you'd like to check out our free video training series, you can head on over to mentorwithnick.com. Again, mentorwithnick.com, where we'll show you really how to, where we show you how we've been doing it for the past 5-6 years. So head on over there if you'd like to check that out. Link is in the video description. If you need mentoring or coaching or anything like that, all my social media stuff will be down below. Get in contact with me. Let me know what your situation is, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Look forward to talking to you real soon.